What's up, guys? This is Vehicle Master 3000 here, and video I have for you today is gonna be a bit quick. I'm gonna try and make it quick, but what I have here, what you're looking at here is the Road Rippers Russian Rescue canine unit from 2010. I like this version better than the newer ones because the light bar is up here. Up here is it's like looks more realistic. It feels more realistic, real police lights than the others do. I think this is rare. I got this at Goodwill in not the best of shape. At least it looks pretty good on the outside, but on the outside this thing looked pretty good. But when I opened up the battery terminal, the battery cover, it was very corroded and stuff, and I put batteries in it and it didn't work at first, so I opened it up and the battery wire was pulled. But not only that, but the terminal, like the internal terminal that's inside, was very corroded. So I cleaned that off and soldered it for the first time, and it worked. And then I opened it up to see if I could fix the taillights before I put it on YouTube, and that didn't go so well. So because the battery terminal broke again, and the speakers wires broke, so it's not perfect. My dad resoldered the wires. I tried taping it back up, and just as soon as I was about to put the body back on, it just completely shut off. I don't know why my dad had to resolder it, but anyway, it's sort of working again. Like, it's back to what it was the first time. So it works. It just doesn't have the best terminal, so sometimes it stops for no reason at all. Like, it'll be running at pretty good speed, and it'll just slow down. Like, if I just touch this sometimes when it's working, it just shuts off. Like, not gonna play this game no more. But anyway, so I think this is rare. So let me describe this. It has the Toy State industrial stuff on it. Hopefully you can see that. This is made in 2010, as the little coded date says. This looks almost like regular 2011 to 2017 canine unit, except for the police lights, and the buttons are pushed to the back rather than being up front more on the roof. So that's pretty cool. Oh, one thing that doesn't work is the taillights. I did never bother fixing those because of what happened last time I tried that, so I'm not gonna bother with those. The only time I'll ever open this up again is maybe the speaker monitor. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna do that. So yeah, you can see how I thought this was a pretty good looking Road Ripper deal at Goodwill, if you guys can see. For those who can't see, it's just an SUV. It's got a searchlight that turns. I'm surprised it doesn't turn more. It just like does a tiny little turn. It doesn't really go very far. Has the mirrors are plastic. Has the brush guard. Now, unlike the Russian Rescue Police Cruiser, the 2014 version at least, the brush guard is actually part of the frame. On the police cruiser, you have to take the, have to unscrew it to even just get the body off. But it's on these canine units, it's part of the frame. So everything in here works except for the taillights. And the buttons it has is a rectangle, a forward, a backward, and two circles, and another rectangle going left to right. So yeah, I got this because it looks rare. Like I said, the buttons are at the back. Usually the buttons are in the dead center, but they're in the back. They're usually right here, and they're back here on this one. This is a 2010, and I think it's really rare. It's gonna be at least a little rare because I've never seen it before. I'm gonna show you the back. For those who can't see, apparently it says canine on the sides and has like a dog cage or something. Apparently it has like a dog cage on it. plastic wheels, just like all of these. I don't know if the old 2005 Interceptor or Ford Victoria or whatever the heck it is called has rubber or plastic wheels, because I know the fire truck and the ambulance had rubber wheels, so I don't know if that was the same deal for the police car. But this is 2010 when the thing they use rubber wheels. You can see why I fell for the trick here, that this is gonna work, because it looks real good. It doesn't look like it had any problems from the outside at all. So the sound works good. This has a big speaker, which I like. Also, because on the little ones you can barely tell what the song is, but on this one you can tell what the song is. So let's press the buttons now. That's what I'm talking about. It's got very, very bad batteries. Not the batteries, like it's got a very bad battery terminal system. Come on. And this doesn't run at full speed either because it's got so many battery problems. So let's see if I can get through all the buttons without it glitching on me. See how the buttons work, it's just it has a very, very bad battery system. Also, when I open it up, it's very dirty and kind of smelled like it had been in somebody's garage for the past 5 years, but it works, so. And apparently all the lights work, so. So yeah, apparently, like, I can hear all the notes in that song, but on the 2014, or really 2011 and above, 2012 and above, and that's harder because I use the smaller speakers, so you can only hear the outstanding notes, the ones that stand out the most, so, yeah. Back.
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Quick, back up!
And that put it out of action again, so it has some problems. It's not perfect, but it works. Also, another thing I want to point out is that it uses a 2011 style battery cover, even though it's from 2010. I guess this was like one of the first road rippers to use this style battery cover. But I mean by 2011 style is like they actually put the screw in the battery cover rather than put it on the chassis itself. And it uses pretty big screw holes for the middle 2 screws. That's like how it is for all canine units anyway. Not exactly sure what the proper title of this is. Like I know it's a rotary canine unit, but I mean, like, I don't know, is this a Ford Interceptor or a Victoria or a Escape or a Bronco, or I don't know what this is actually. So also let me know, is this rare? Is this rare? Is it?
You're surrounded.
I'm pretty sure this is
Out
rare.
with your hands up. Quick, back up.
Like I said, everything works except the taillights, and it has very crappy battery quality, like very crappy battery terminals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out.